Hello, everyone. We're going to read sentences with the words I and my. Let's begin. I love my cat. I love my cat. Excellent. I want my toy. I want my toy. Fantastic. I eat my food. I eat my food. You're doing great. I need my coat. I need my coat. Super. I see my friend. I see my friend. Good work. I hear my mom. I hear my mom. Well done. I smell my flower. I smell my flower. Good. I taste my candy. I taste my candy. Good job. I play my game. I play my game. Nice. I read my book. I read my book. Fantastic.